Are you tired of mediocre drum kits that lack depth and authenticity? Do you struggle to find a product that can deliver professional-grade sound quality, even in the comfort of your own home? /N/N, if so, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be diving into the Yamaha DTX6K-X Review 2026, a product that promises to revolutionize the world of electronic drumming. /N/N for the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I started using the Yamaha DTX6K-X. It exceeded my expectations in every single way. The sound quality is nothing short of phenomenal, with crystal clear tones and an incredible range of expression. But there's more to this product than just its impressive sound capabilities. /N/N therefore, let's take a closer look at what makes the Yamaha DTX6K-X so special. As we all know, electronic drum kits have come a long way in recent years, but many still lack the nuance and subtlety of their acoustic counterparts. However, with the Yamaha DTX6K-X, you can expect to experience a level of realism that's simply unmatched by other products on the market. /N/N, but why is this? What sets the Yamaha DTX6K-X apart from its competitors? Let me tell you, it all comes down to three key factors: sound quality, playability, and customization. Sound quality, as I mentioned earlier, is nothing short of phenomenal. With an incredible range of expression and crystal clear tones, you'll be able to create music that sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio. /N/N, but what's really impressive about the Yamaha DTX6K-X is its playability. The kit is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for even the most beginner drummers to pick up and start playing right away. Whether you're looking to practice for hours on end or just want to have some fun with friends and family, this product delivers. /N/N, and let's not forget about customization, one of the key selling points of the Yamaha DTX6K-X. With a wide range of expansion options available, you can take your sound to new heights and create music that truly reflects your unique style. But here's what really caught my attention when I started using the Yamaha DTX6K-X: its incredible value for money. This product is an investment in your future as a musician, and one that will pay dividends for years to come. /N/N therefore, if you're serious about taking your electronic drumming game to the next level, then this is the product for you. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the Yamaha DTX6K-X. One of the standout aspects of this product is its incredible range of sounds and kits, including everything from classic rock drums to orchestral percussion. /N/N, but what really sets the Yamaha DTX6K-X apart from other products on the market is its advanced AI technology, which allows for seamless integration with a wide range of music software and apps. This means that you can access an almost limitless library of sounds and effects right at your fingertips. As we dive deeper into this review, I want to emphasize just how impressive the Yamaha DTX6K-X truly is. But what about its playability? Is it as easy to use as some other products on the market? /N/N therefore, let's take a look at some of the key features that make the Yamaha DTX6K-X so user-friendly. First and foremost, the kit comes with an incredibly intuitive interface, complete with a range of customizable buttons and controls. This makes it easy to navigate and adjust settings on the fly. /N/N, but what really sets this product apart is its incredible customization options, including everything from drum sound effects to MIDI editing capabilities. /N/N, and let's not forget about its impressive range of connectivity options, including USB, MIDI, and even Bluetooth for seamless integration with your smartphone or tablet. As we near the end of this review, I want to emphasize just how much I love the Yamaha DTX6K-X, but what about its value for money? Is it really worth investing in? /N/N therefore, let's take a look at some of the key pros and cons of this product. /N/N pros. Incredible sound quality, advanced AI technology, seamless integration with music software and apps, incredibly user-friendly interface. Cons: price may be out of budget for some users, some customization options can feel overwhelming. But here's what really caught my attention when I started using the Yamaha DTX6K-X: its incredible value for money. This product is an investment in your future as a musician, and one that will pay dividends for years to come. /N/N therefore, if you're serious about taking your electronic drumming game to the next level, then this is the product for you. In conclusion, I want to emphasize just how much I love the Yamaha DTX6K-X with its incredible sound quality, advanced AI technology, and seamless integration with music software and apps. It's truly in a league of its own. /N/N for those who are serious about electronic drumming, This product is an absolute must-have. Don't settle for anything less than the best. But here's what you need to do next. If you're as impressed by the Yamaha DTX6K-X as I am, then it's time to take the plunge and invest in your future as a musician. /N/N for the best price on Amazon. Click the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it.